Located in a tranquil Jervois precinct lies this loft-style condominium that overlooks the featureless Alexandra Canal. The dark, sophisticated color tones blend to create this modern contemporary design. Dark walnut material is paired with light grey hues to break up the monotone within a single shade. The theme promotes different wood colors and textures that were displayed all over the room, creating a cozy ambiance. Entering the home, a grand shelving on the right is accompanied by a flight of stairs, leading to the customized loft. In the original floor plan, this area was once a high-ceiling living room. To fully utilize the void area, we built a loft that functions as a study room. Below it sits a dining table paired with a mini bar counter that fits perfectly to the massive row of storage cubes. The staircase leading to the study room is unique on its own. The craftsmanship consists of foot-by-foot concept with alternate stepping platforms as you walk up. The height of each step was carefully measured to relay an effortless climb. As you climb up, the width of the platform stretches out, catering to the expanding area of the entrance to the dining area. A solid column was built to support the loft, making it non-removable. We made it functional by installing a light frame onto the column and attached a multi-purpose console cabinet that acts both as a bar counter and a separation between the dining and the living room. In new condos, kitchens can be small, as the homeowners wanted more space for food storage. An easily accessible pantry was proposed to fit right outside the existing kitchen. The homeowners were pleased with the results. From clean lines to modern furniture, this house gives a comfortable and welcoming vibe without being cluttered or dark. Not to forget, creatively functional. So that is it for the video. If you like this concept of a home, let us know in the comment section down below. In the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We will be posting more videos soon. Until then, see you the next time.